Maybe we're going apple picking. Apple picking, we're going strawberry picking. And I bet if we look right in like the middles and stuff. Let's go like down here. I feel like nobody's been down here. We're gonna get some like real nice red ones, right baby? Little baby fuzzy peaches. Really? It's a car engine? Wow. Hello.
Did y'all pay for this already?
No. The bucket, yeah. But.
Alright, you pick it over. 65 minus the
The entrance closes at 5. No. They're fresh. They're awesome.
They are good. So it's 8:32. Take a car, but it's gotta be 10.
That's okay. We can do the cat.
Sorry about that.
That's okay. So we just picked strawberries at the strawberry farm, and now we're going next door, and there's like a little produce shop. I'll take videos in there. But the lady said it's like super cute, so we're definitely gonna go check that out, and hopefully we can get something.
We got almost 4 pounds of strawberries for $8.
Which is insane. That is so awesome. Cause isn't like a normal like small thing like 4 something?
I think so.
Yeah. So it's so awesome. I always love this kind of stuff. Goat milk, lotion, and soaps. How fun. Look at those little mason jars. Look at these. Homemade peanut butter, marshmallow spread. Oh my god, that's cheap. So this is strawberry lemonade, and it's made with their strawberries right from their little farm. Oh my god, there's goats. No. Yeah, we're visiting the goats after. Plain and simple. No questions asked. And then we got these homemade salsas, which 2 for $10 is awesome. That's a good ass deal. We got peach salsa, and we got black bean and corn salsa. So you want to play in the sandbox or no? That me, baby? To be our house.
I would love that.
Wouldn't that be
Back
awesome?
half be the garage, or the whole bottom be the garage, and upstairs be a loft.
And then that beautiful porch. That's such a big, wide porch. Pleasant Farms is a family-owned peach orchard in Chesapeake, Virginia. Farm to table, you know, like. Hi. Hey, you guys. That scared me. Look at that little tail. Look at the little tail. That I want, and they're literally like so much money.
I don't think I've ever seen somebody get so excited about a rug.
Because I love rugs.
No
Life is short. Buy the
one
rug.
cares.
It says it.
No
Look,
one
it says
cares.
it.
No, it doesn't.
Look. Life is short. Buy the rug.
That says buy the
It
dress.
says buy the rug. Life is short. Buy the rug because it's $5 instead of $5 million.
No.
Look at it.
Nope.
Baby.
Nope. Mm-mm.